So, champ.
Yep.
Um, it's 12:28.
Yep.
You gonna get some more milk in you, or you taking a break? Chill.
What time do we start?
12:04.
Let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and get some more. I want to keep the momentum going. Ooh, look at that.
Oh.
Oh, you gotta see me.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It's hard to get that half a glass down.
No, it wasn't.
Woo! Yeah.
Really?
No, it was just me and the rest of
Oh.
America was waiting.
I'm
See
gonna
if-
drink the rest of this glass.
Yeah, you
Okay.
know. I know you like. I know you like being on camera.
Yeah, okay. Salud. Too easy.
All right, you gonna go two, or you just gonna do one?
No, I want to do two.
Okay.
You get nervous, honey?
Mm.
Look at that.
And people who finished the Boston Marathon, they could see the finish line. They just couldn't take no more. 'Cause you know what? That's just 5 pounds of milk.
5 pounds.
Okay.
I got a burp.
I know. But I tell you what, whatever you throw up on this counter, you're gonna clean up. It's all you.
Excuse me. Save the burp. Okay, I give up.
What?
I give up.
You give up? You can't go and get that one last glass in?
I feel lightheaded. Psych 'em.
You getting in the zone? Hmm?
I think I gotta throw up.
Hmm? No, I ain't gonna put you on camera throwing up. I won't do that to you. I'm gonna do this to you.
Can't do it.
Hmm?
I cannot do it.
You just said cycle. Go and put that last ass in there, man. It ain't that much. Come on, you got 5 glasses to go at the max.
Why don't you fill up some glasses so I know where my mark is?
Well,
I'm about to throw up. Fill up some more glasses.
okay.
If it's more than 5 glasses, I already know I'm not gonna make it.
Well, then what we're gonna do is put the milk back in there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's light, man. It's only 2 more glasses. It's only 2 more glasses.
No.
Oops.
Break the glass.
3 more glasses.
No.
One more. That's it. That's it. Bam. Now, let's get a snapshot of it. This is what's remaining. Oh man. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more little glasses. Go for one of them. Come on, you can do it. You just trying to be on camera. Don't do it, man.
No.
You said no. You said
I'm about to throw up.
You said that.
I'm about to throw up. For real.
Huh?
Go ahead and put the milk back in the jar.
The white. Whoa. See?
Stop. No.
You gonna say bye? Try so hard. They try so hard. Well, I tried to tell you couldn't do it. Nope. You don't listen to me. Well, we're signing off. Boy.